Hi guys, welcome back. What if I told you your Windows 11 can look 10x better than this without installation heavy theme or blocking your system? In this video, I am moving Windows 11 a completely makeover using Windhawk for the redesigned taskbar and fully customization taskbar, clean notification center, modern file explorer and beautiful translation effect acquire your entire system. This setup look clean, minimal and honestly next level. Let's transform your Windows 11 right now. So first we start with Windhawk, the tool that makes all of this possible. It's lightweight, powerful and perfect for deep customization. Let's begin with the start menu. Using the start menu styler, we completely change the look, clear layout, better spacing, and a more modern design that feels premium. Next up the taskbar, we adjust the height and icon size to get perfect balance. Then with taskbar styler, we get the silk and minimal look that matches the overall theme. Now moving to the notification center. With notification center styler, we make it smoother, cleaner and more visually consistent with the rest of the UI. After the we customization the file explorer. Using Explorer styler, we remove the clutter and create a more elegant and minimal interface. And finally the best part, translation windows. This adds a soft glass effect across the system, making everything feel modern, clean and super aesthetic. And just like that, your Windows 11 is completely transparent. And that's it, the full setup. If you like this kind of and powerful Windows customization, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe because I got a more insane setup upcoming soon. Also drop comment and tell me, would you use this setup on your PC? Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.